Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to convert Excel to CSV and JQuery using JavaScript and PDF.co web API. You can see the link to full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample XLS document, and convert it into a CSV file. So let's begin. First, open the Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Next, enter the HTML and JavaScript sample code inside the compiler. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. Once you're done adding the sample code, save the files. Now, let's run the program. Open the HTML file. Next, add your PDF.co API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Then input the Excel file. And select CSV to convert. For output, let's use the URL to output file. Now, click the Convert button to send a request. Our test was successful. Click on the resulting URL to download the output file. Here's the converted CSV document. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.